Striving to reach enlightenment, the Buddhist monks have accumulated hundreds of years of wisdom to allow themselves to let go of worldly problems. Their proverbs and teachings have been spread around the world to help others on their journey to inner peace. One who knows himself is never disturbed by what others think about him. A positive mind finds opportunity in everything. A negative mind finds fault in everything. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. That is why we call it the present. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Never argue with someone who believes their own lies. The 4 beautiful thoughts of life. Look back and get experience. Look forward and see hope. Look around and find reality. Look within and find yourself. Being a fool is knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. There are 6 rules in life. Before you pray, believe. Before you speak, listen. Before you spend, earn. Before you write, think. Before you quit, try. And before you die, live. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. The biggest suspense of life is that you don't know who is praying for you and who is playing with you. You have 2 choices: to control your mind or to let your mind control you. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. Fake people gossip about everyone else. Real people mind their own business. What comes easy won't last. What lasts won't come easy. Everything happens for a reason. Don't question it. Trust it. It's better to walk alone than with a crowd going in the wrong direction. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned, not given. Don't believe everything you hear. There are always 3 sides to a story: yours, theirs, and the truth. Never judge people by their past. People learn. People change. People move on. Pain makes you stronger. Fear makes you braver. Heartbreak makes you wiser. So thank the past for a better future. Life is short. Time is fast. No replay, no rewind. So enjoy every moment as it comes. Promise yourself to be so strong that nothing can disturb your peace of mind. Respect is like a mirror. The more you show it to other people, the more it will reflect back to you. Never regret being a good person to the wrong people. Your behavior says everything about you, and their behavior says enough about them. A lot of problems in the world would disappear if we talked to each other instead of about each other. Feed a dog for 3 days, and he will remember your kindness for 3 years. Feed a human for 3 years, and he will forget your kindness in 3 days. Don't carry your mistakes around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones. Everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you have made. If you want a different result, make a different choice. Satisfied life is better than successful life, because our success is measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind, and heart. You are strong when you know your weaknesses. You are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws. You are wise when you learn from your mistakes. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. Stop focusing on how stressed you are and remember how blessed you are. Don't feel bad if people only remember you when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is darkness. What is stress? It is the gap between our expectation and reality. The greater the gap, the greater the stress. So expect nothing and accept everything. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. There are only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday, and the other is called tomorrow. Today is the right day to love, believe, and most of all, live. What's broken can be mended. What hurts can be healed. And no matter how dark it gets, the sun is going to rise again. There are 4 things you can't recover in life: a word after it's said, an opportunity after it's missed, the time after it's gone, and trust after it's lost. We are not given a good life or a bad life. We are given a life. It is up to us to make it good or bad. Conquer the angry man by love. Conquer the ill-natured man by goodness. Conquer the miserable with generosity. Conquer the liar with truth. Ego is just like the dust in the eyes. Without clearing the dust, we can't see anything clearly. So clear the ego and see the world. No matter how educated, talented, rich, or cool you are, how you treat people ultimately tells all. Integrity is everything. The mind is not a dustbin to keep anger, hatred, and jealousy, but it is the treasure box to keep love, happiness, and sweet memories. If you knew what I know about the power of giving, you would not let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. Never believe you are above or below anyone. Keep a humble spirit. You don't meet people by accident. There's always a reason, a lesson, or blessing.